My Ever to Excel experience was so much fun. It was probably the best 2 weeks of my summer, if I'm being quite honest, and it was just such a beautiful experience. Being able to see my participants grow into themselves over the 2 weeks, and also to be able to learn about myself. And it's an experience that I'll cherish for the rest of my BC experience and beyond that.
I think my personal faith grew as a result of becoming a mentor, just in my own practices within my small group. Engaging in questions with them one-on-one, especially like working with and through their own curiosity, helped me to discover my faith more.
I think that because of, Ever to Excel and being a mentor, I almost grew more comfortable with my faith. Because, sometimes it's hard to talk about faith with like friends, in your normal everyday life, like outside of a religious camp like that. But at Ever to Excel, it's such a positive and uplifting place for faith.
It's not as though you have to perform or you have to be perfect every day. It's just you being you really can be a really good witness to high schoolers who are still trying to figure out who they are and where they fit, and if they're loved.
I used to view faith as just doing it a certain way, going to church, sitting down, and praying, and that's how you cultivate faith, and that's really it. But I saw through the Ignatian spirituality how important it is to make my faith my own, make your faith something that's individual to you.
I guess I think that Ever to Excel embodies the best of every single Jesuit principle that I know. Cura personalis means care for the whole person, and I feel like my entire person was so cared for. Like my strengths, room for improvement, everything in between. And then I think everybody kind of wants to be like a human with other humans the entire week and just really get to know each other. So if you feel like you've been at BC for a couple of years and you've heard a lot, even if you're not spiritual, but you're kind of maybe intrigued, like what are all these like different phrases that are so thrown around all about? And that I think that what makes BC so special that I've never really put my finger on, I think I felt it at Ever to Excel. That everything the school is like about and strives to be really came to life that week. And I'm so glad that I did it, because I don't know that I would have felt like my BC experience would have been complete if I hadn't really jumped in with the whole heart the way I was invited to during Ever to Excel.